Welcome to Crypto Night. My name is Ife, and in this video, I am going to show you how you can pick coins with massive potential to the upside. Coins that can 10x to 100x over a period of time. If you like this kind of content, you can give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. And also, you should know that the content of this video is not financial advice. With that said, let's jump right into this video. I am going to be using CoinMarketCap to show you this simple strategy of how you can spot good coins that could appreciate in the future. Now we are going to start by scrolling down. The first thing I would have to do right here is go over to filters. The next step is click on add filters right here. What we are going to do is focus on the market cap. This is what we are going to use in this video. You click on this. Right here, we are going to select a range of coins between 1 million to 10 million market cap. So I would go ahead and click on this right here, this 1M to 10M. This would filter out coins that are within this range of market capitalization. Next is to click on apply and show results. Right here, you can see that these are coins that are within 1 to 10 million market cap. All these coins, as you can see here, has potential to the upside, because you would notice that the price of these coins are still really cheap. This means that a lot of people don't know about these coins, and I'm going to show you how market capitalization is being calculated. But first, we would have to select a coin right here, and let's click on this HyperDAO. You would notice that this coin has a max supply of 5 billion and the circulating supply is around 468 million. The way market cap is being calculated is by multiplying the circulating supply by the current price. So when you multiply this circulating supply right here by the current price, you would get a market cap of $9.8 million. Let me show you the quick calculation of this for you to understand. This is the circulating supply of over 468 million, and you would have to multiply this by the current price of 0.0211. Now, this would give you a market cap of about $9.890 million. You would notice that this number right here corresponds with the market cap that is displayed right here in CoinMarketCap. And you need to know that when the market cap is around this range, that means the coin is cheap and could go higher in the nearest future. If we scroll down, you can see the price chart of this coin. You will notice that right here, the coin is basically going sideways at around the 0.02 price range. Now, this coin could easily pump to the upside if a lot of people know about these projects. If the project turns out to be a very good project, it could easily have a gain of 10 to 100x over a period of time. So this is what a lot of people do to get in on a coin early enough so that when the project becomes big and a lot of people are entering at the same time, it's going to create a massive buy pressure to the upside, making the coin more expensive in the future. You should also know that before putting your money into any project, you should have done a good amount of research on that project. You can also follow the social pages of that particular project so you can get information on the latest news about that project. Right now, I am going to show you an example where this strategy has worked out, and if you had bought at a particular level when the market cap was below $10 million, you would have made a lot of money in this current time. The coin I am going to use as an example in this video is Solana. Solana is a coin that when it was released, a lot of people didn't know about the coin. This is Solana. As you can see that the current price is $139. If we go over to the overall price chart of this coin, you would see that Solana was below $1 in 2020. At this particular time, a lot of people didn't know about this coin at all, but some people would have accumulated this coin at this particular level when Solana was below $1. Now let's go ahead and display the market cap. You can click on this right here, and this will show you the market cap of Solana at a particular time. Now, if we go over here at around July of 2020, you would see that Solana was just at the 10 million market cap level. You can also see that the 24-hour trading volume was around 1.6 million. That means a lot of people were not trading this coin at all about last year. You can see that this took a lot of time before Solana actually picked up, and a lot of people started entering this coin at the same time. The buy pressure increased the price of Solana, and as you can see that Solana right now is above $139 and went to an all-time high of over $214. Now, this is a good example of getting in on a coin when the market cap is very low, around the range of 1 to 10 million market cap. If we scroll up, you would see that the current market cap of Solana is over $40 billion. You would see that this grew over time. This kind of strategy takes time for you to get that 10x to 100x on a coin. It takes a lot of time and it takes a good amount of research. Solana is a wonderful project, as you can see. If you had made your research back then, right now you would be in a good amount of profit. So this is how this strategy works. You might have also noticed that on Twitter, a lot of people promote coins that they have interest in, coins that they've already invested in at the early stage. So they promote that coin because once that coin starts to take off, there will be a massive profit as time goes on. I truly hope you enjoyed this kind of content, and if you did, you can leave a thumbs up and try to subscribe to the channel. It really means a lot and I would really appreciate it if you do so. This is going to be it, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.